Hey folks, IIT Gandhinagar and IIT Bhubaneswar have opened their applications for Summer Internship Program 2021. Let's look at them one by one. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships, and scholarships. IIT Bhubaneswar invites application for its summer internship program in the fields related to science, engineering, social science, and management. The students who want to do short term training, want to avail themselves of laboratories and other academic facilities can apply for this internship program. The duration of the program will not be less than 3 weeks and not exceeding 8 weeks during the summer vacation of IIT Bhubaneswar. If selected, you have to submit a signed copy of your application to them during the joining of internship. You will be provided hostel accommodation on payment of appropriate fees. The cost toward food and access to other amenities have to be paid by the student, and on the completion of the internship the student has to submit a report of work and you will be getting a training certificate for it. No grades will be awarded for the same, and the last date to apply for the internship at IIT Bhubaneswar is May 7th. Talking about the internship program by IIT Gandhinagar, today is the last day for applying to this, that is 26th April. Students from prominent universities across the country are brought on campus to work on some projects. You can see the project list on your screen. Some of the projects are in online mode and some of them are in offline mode. So in the online mode, you will be provided only with a certificate after a successful completion of your project. But in offline mode or in-person mode, you will also be getting a stipend of 2000 rupees a week. The hostel accommodation will be provided to you, but you have to pay the charges for the same. The internship duration will be 8 weeks at least. And as I mentioned that students pursuing BTech or MTech from prominent universities in India can apply for it. You will also be required to submit a presentation and a report at the end of the internship. So if you are someone who is looking for a good experience in this summer, then you can definitely apply for both of these internships. The applications are now open and the link for both the internship is in the description. So make sure to apply for the same.